Struggling with the dreaded entry point not found, the procedure entry point could not be located error, fret not. In this quick YouTube tutorial, I have got your back. Learn easy to follow steps to fix this pesky issue and get your programs running smoothly. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just looking for a solution, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through DLL errors and get back to a seamless computing experience. Let's troubleshoot together and bid farewell to those frustrating entry point errors. To address the entry point not found error through the run as administrator method, 1. Right click on the shortcut or executable file of the application encountering the error. 2. From the context menu, choose run as administrator. This elevates the application's privileges and may help overcome issues related to missing or incorrectly located entry points. Running the application with administrator privileges ensures it has the necessary permissions to access and utilize system resources. If the error persists, you may want to explore additional troubleshooting steps, such as updating the application, checking for system file issues, or contacting the software support for further assistance.